My name's Timothy Moore and I'm the Home Program Coordinator with Senior Community Services, and I'm here to talk about the smoke detector program that we're partnering with the Brooklyn Center Fire Department on. Through county and city funds, we're able to provide the money to purchase the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors for those folks that are over the age of 60.
Well, we started our program January 1st of 2012. We just started, it's been going for about a year now. And so far we've visited 135, 140 homes, and we still have some pending to go visit, and we're still trying to get more people to call us, and it's a free service. We want to come out and install them and check their stuff for them and make sure everything's working right for them so they're safe.
I would estimate it's over $3,000 so far that we've spent. In talking with the fire department earlier, it sounds like there's still plenty of people kind of on hold that still need the service. You know, we'll go until the project is done. We have no deadline or anything like that.
People are quite impressed. When they want to bake us cookies, they want to do whatever they can to make it so it's easier for us to come out there, but that's not a requirement. We just like to come out and visit people and make sure that the citizens in our community are safe.